I know there are many barriers to creating a home you look forward to coming home to. Things like budget, time, and overwhelm, or not knowing where to start, are definitely hurdles I've dealt with and ones my readers tell me they're dealing with regularly. But I think it's important to find a way to move past these barriers because how well your home works for you, or doesn't, has a big impact on the way you feel, and you deserve to feel awesome. So today I want to take you into my family room because I want you to see what's possible when you take one step at a time toward creating a space that works for you and your family in many different ways, feels really good to be in, and showcases who you are.
This room has to function in so many ways because this is where we do most of our living. We relax in here, watch TV, do screen time, and read. We spend time as a family playing board games in here, playing video games, and playing with our pets. And this is where everyone gathers when we have our family and friends over to hang out. It's important that this room can be both an adult space and a kid space. In order for this to happen, we made sure that there's plenty of seating for our big family functions and hangout time with friends. And then we created a large built-in that acts as a focal point and has open shelving to bring in our style, but down below it has a ton of storage for all the things. My kids can play with their toys, and then they can quickly and easily be stored away close by in the cabinets. My student Claire says it perfectly. She didn't want to wait to really enjoy her home. She says, "With two small kids and a full-time job, I have a pretty busy life. We had just moved into a new home and I found myself constantly looking for ways to fill the empty spaces. Even in our old home, there were so many rooms that we'd never done anything with because we couldn't decide what to do." It sounds dramatic, but having an unfinished home made me feel like my family was missing out in some way. I wanted us to be able to create memories in our space, and I didn't want them to look back when they're older and think that our house never felt like a home.
I couldn't agree more. Putting in the time and effort now to create a home you'll love to be in is one of the best things you can do for yourself and your family. I could have waited till my kids were older and a little less messy to make my family room nice, but why wait to enjoy our home to the fullest extent? Whether you're looking to make your space more functional or more like you, I'm here to show you it's possible. It's not about perfection and Pinterest-worthy decor, and you don't need a huge budget to create a functional, beautiful space you actually enjoy being in.
That's why I've created some easy resources for you, like my room design workbook and a free video workshop where I'll teach you 3 simple steps to decorate any area of your home. I call it my home decor SOS method, and it works for anyone in any space. If you're ready to create a home that reflects your personality, functions really well, and cut the analysis paralysis, head over to heytherehome.com/SOS to get free access to this workshop.
For links to resources that will help you create a functional and beautiful home like my free room design workbook, check out the links below this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by giving it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.